I am Surya Pratap. Firstly, I will tell you basic elements of HTML. Now let's create a blank text file. Note, write the name of file whatever you like I'm writing eDeck. Open the text file and code your HTML. Firstly, we will use hyper bracket, then HTML, then we'll change line and hyper bracket hyphen and then close the HTML tab. If you will not close the HTML tag, the website may not work as you want and may show you wrong thing. So you should close HTML tag by an hyphen extra. And one more thing, there is a tag doctype tag which is not yet necessary, but it is a compulsory tag that tells the browser that which kind of document is this. So we will write doctype tag also. We'll use add doctype HTML and close it with hyper brackets. Now we have created a website, we can open it. And one more thing, that doctype tag is an empty tag, so you needn't to use an closing tag, you only have an opening tag. That's it. This is a type of tag which does not need an closing tag, and that's why it is known as empty tag. Now we have created a website, we can open it with so now as we are making an HTML file, we'll rename it as .text to .html file so that it could work. Now we will open it with browser, and as we haven't written anything in, it's a blank page which is working very successfully. Now we'll come to this. This was our document. Now I will tell you about body tag, which tag contains all the content of a web page. We will open the body tag and then close it as we have done with HTML. Now we have created a body tag. Now still the website will work. You can see. Now we will enter some text inside it, like sorry. Now we will save it and check. See, this has been appeared here. But we will now learn about paragraph tag. This is required so that browser may distinguish between two paragraphs. We will use a hyphen and then P, which will tell about paragraph. You can see it, I have zoomed in so that you can see clearly, and then close the paragraph tag. It will still work. Now we'll save it. See that change. It's working better than before. Now I will tell you about image tag, by which we can insert image inside HTML. We will use the bracket then img, and we use SIC as an short form for source, which tells from where we have to insert image. After SIC, we will use equals to sign and then quote and write the link for the image so that image could be different. Then we'll close the code and hyper bracket. Now we'll save it and see that the image has been appeared on browser. I've used Google Images. See, it's here. Now well, There are two types of image. One is exterior image, which is used to access image outside your local computer. Like we have used https://www.google.com/news, etc., which is not inside a computer but it is located outside on a location, so we can access it and use it. But if you want to use an internal image, we can do that also. Like we'll edit this image and use an internal image like computer.jpg. While I've written it, which is located inside my computer, then it will work. I will refresh the page. See, you can see that it is visible, but it is larger than I expected. Because now this kind of problem I faced. Now I will tell you how to set up height and width of the image so that we can tell the browser the size of the image that we want to display, or else this problem will be faced, that it is faced now. Now after SIC, after the code has been closed, we will write height is equals to then code and the size we want like 100 and close the code. And now width, if we want to make it save, we can do it. We'll save it and see the change. It is now small image, as you know. So that was the difference. Now as you know that width we can change it like 150. You can use. Now it's correct. Now you know image, how to set it out, how to set the height and width of the image, what are the two types of image which you can insert. One is internal image and second is external image. The difference between both of them is that internal image is used to access an image located inside our computer system, and external image is used to locate an image which is outside a computer system, which is located on our other computer, like on internet. Now you know about image tab, and I will tell you head tag, etc., and many more things in next video. So bye bye until that. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please share, subscribe.